Okay, now I'm going to show you the first part of the WordPress class, and this is how to install WordPress. Okay, first you need to go to your cPanel. So in order to do that, you just click you key in your domain name and then slash cPanel. They will ask you for your username and also password. So let me just enter that information and then click OK. Okay, so this is the cPanel homepage. Okay, so what you need to do now, you have to go to Fantastico. There you go. So you click Fantastico, and then this is the Fantastico page. So if you see on your left side, there's a WordPress there. You just click WordPress, and then now you are at the WordPress page. Then you click New Installation. Okay, so now you are at this page. Okay, what you need to do is, okay, this is domain name that we have, and then you have to key in the directory that you want to install your WordPress. Okay, in this case I just put demo. Okay, what is your admin username you want to use? I just put admin, and I put the password demo. You can use whatever password you want. Okay, what is the nickname? I call admin nick. Okay, then the email for the admin. Okay, I put demo. Okay, make sure you already created this what you call that, this email. Okay, make sure it is exists. For me, I already created this demo email. Okay, what is the site name? Okay, I call it uh, demo site or demo website. Okay, description, say WordPress demo. Okay, so one more thing, you need to put in your email account. Okay, demo, what is the account password? My account password is demo also. Okay, so that's done. So that are the things that you need to enter in order to install your WordPress. Okay, now click install. Okay, so it says here this is the database that is created and the domain installation, the directory, and also how are you going to access this your WordPress website. This will be the address. Okay, so now finish installation. Okay, now it shows here all the information about your installation. Okay, like what is the admin that you need to the username, the username, which is admin, and then the password that you use, and this is how you're going to go to your admin area. So this is the URL. Later I will show you. Okay, so if you want to send this information, you want to have a record of it in your email, you just key in your email here, whatever email that you have, and then you send email. You click send email. Okay, for the time being, for me, I'm not going to send this. So now, okay, we go back to WordPress overview. Okay, so now we have this current installation, which is demo. Okay, let's visit the site. Okay, so this is the website that we just created. Okay, this is the site name just now, demo website. and the description is WordPress demo. Okay, once you install it, it has a default template for your website where you can change. Okay, but for this part, I'm just going to show you how to install it, and we can go to the next part where I'll show you how to change the template. Okay.